This homeowner said they don't remember the last time their dry vent was cleaned, so let's take a look. Pop up the anemometer, get a feet per minute. And right around 1,500 feet per minute, which is good. Getting to 1,600 is good. It's not bad, but it can be improved. Let's look at all this lint here. All right, we finished the service. We cleaned the vent. We upgraded the transition hose. Now let's get a little after reading. Nice, 300 feet per minute of airflow improvement. Still going up. Can we hit 2,000? Nope, 1940. So 300 feet per minute improvement. That's awesome.